Here's a 2019 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.